Welcome back to LiftRight Academy. In today's lesson, we shall learn how to calculate the required crane boom length for a lifting operation using the Pythagorean Theorem. Knowing the correct boom length required to safely pick up or drop off a load at maximum height is very important in lifting operations. Once the load is suspended, it is not considered good practice to extend or retract the crane boom during the lift. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step method of determining the required boom length using simple engineering calculations and practical lifting principles. Let's assume we are picking up the load from this truck and then placing it on top of this platform. The most critical stage of this lift is the drop-off operation. So in this lesson, we shall focus on determining the required boom length for the drop-off. The same boom length used for the drop-off shall also be used for the pickup, because extending or retracting the boom while carrying a suspended load is not considered good lifting practice. Crane radius is measured from the center of crane rotation to the center of the hook block. Let's assume a crane radius of 16 meters. The crane height, measured from the ground level to the boom foot pin, is shown on this sample crane drawing. The height is 3.62 meters. The horizontal distance from the center of rotation to the boom foot pin is also taken from this crane drawing. That distance is 2.35 meters. Now let's identify all the vertical components. 10 meters for the platform height, 1.5 meters for the load height, 1.29 meters for the sling height, 1 meter for the hook height, 2 meters for the safety clearance distance, and 1 meter for the anti-2 block limit switch clearance. Now, we need to calculate the required boom length, which represents the hypotenuse side of this right-angled triangle. The horizontal component is equal to the crane radius plus the horizontal distance from the center of rotation to the boom foot pin, which gives 16 meters plus 2.35 meters equal to 18.35 meters. For the vertical component, we sum all the vertical distances together and then subtract the crane height. From the limit switch down to the load height, the total vertical distance is 6.79 meters. So, 10 meters platform height plus 6.79 meters minus 3.62 meters crane height gives 13.17 meters. Now, to calculate the boom length, which is the hypotenuse side, we apply the Pythagorean theorem. Boom length equals the square root of 18.35 squared plus 13.17 squared, which gives 22.59 meters. With this boom length of 22.59 meters and a working radius of 16 meters, we can now use the crane load chart to determine the crane lifting capacity. In the next video, I will explain how to determine crane boom length using the crane range diagram. And I will also explain how to use the crane load chart to select the required crane capacity. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and always lift right.